Meccanoplastica is a leading manufacturer of extrusion blow molding machine since 1983. Florence has a headquarters where we are located and where we produce injection blow and extrusion blow, full electric, hydraulic and hybrid machines. The extrusion blow, that it is still our main business. We cover production of HDPE, polypropylene, co-extrusion, multi-layers bottle, PETG as well, from 5 ml up to maximum 30 liter as stockable canisters. Perfect example of full electric extrusion blow molding machine, Shuttle, is HE 550S machine single station that nowadays has a great success on the market. The partnership between Meccanoplastica and B&R is fully satisfying for Meccanoplastica company because in the fully integrated and automated solution of B&R we have found the great support to assure our customer our full electric machine be largely with a larger connectivity, with compliance with parameters of Industry 4.0, and to increase the performance of the machine, being stable and reliable. Thanks to the global presence of B&R, we are on the safety position to give this further support to our customers worldwide.